Welcome back to the channel. It's pretty dark. I'm not too shabby today and I'm at the storage. I know I owed you guys a video, a walk around video with the Integra, but I have an even bigger surprise for you today. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna open the garage door and I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna switch to the GoPro, kind of have that kind of showcasing me opening the garage. Let's get it. There she is, boys. There she is. Let's get a little bit closer. There she is. Paint's not too bad. The interior is not too bad. You know what I'm saying? It's not too bad. I'm gonna switch back over to the other camera and give you guys a better look. But yeah, here it is. Mint 2000 hatch. The one thing that I wasn't really pleased with, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you right now, is the engine bay. It's not perfect, by no means necessary. It is not perfect, by no means necessary. This car used to be slammed, as you can see, so I gotta get all these booger wells back out, sand, and try to bring this bay back to life. But yeah, here it is. My 2000 EK hatch, boys. Anyways, for today's video, I will be buttoning up some more stuff on the motor, which is back there. So let's push this hatch out and get to the motor. All right, so first thing on today's agenda is to take that RBC off and put this skunk 2 on there. So I'm gonna go ahead, switch the GoPro, unbox. Well, I already unboxed it at home, but I'm gonna have you guys see me take it off and put it on. So let's switch to the GoPro. This is the Skunk 2 Ultra Street manifold. I didn't want to go crazy and go get the Ultra Race because I don't need it. So I went ahead and got this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you the manifold on the car, on the motor. You don't know how. I also want to give a big shout out to Juan for providing me with the OEM bolts. I have some more over there, but OEM bolts for the win. Shout out to Juan. Big shout out, my boy. I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta take this stud out actually, but let me see if I'm gonna have to cut this bracket, because I know with these manifolds, at least with the Race, the Ultra Race, I know you gotta trim it down. I'm hoping I don't have to trim it down with the Street. So let's see how it looks. Well, you can see with the GoPro. Oh crap! I know the other camera does a better job. Just like that. Now we'll get the manifold. Oh, trying to do this, but wow. Oh, it fits. It fits. I don't even need to take it off. Don't even need to take it off. So I'm gonna go ahead. I need to pull this stud out, but I can do that after. Yeah, I can do that after. No, I'm gonna do it off. Never mind. I'm gonna just do it off right now. Like this. These bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead so happy. All right, I know I put the phone down. I know I didn't record as much as I said I was going to. So I got the plate for the coolant. Intake manifold is somewhat on. One gave me the wrong bolts. Alternator's on. The thermostat housing and the thermostat is on. With the little fitting here. Also, I went ahead and I put the fitting for like the feed line and oil pressure gauge and oil pressure switch. Oil packs are in. I do have the harness here, so I could just go ahead and start buttoning up all the little stuff that probably could just button up. I might as well just do that real quick and then pick the camera back up. So I'll be right back. Alright, here we got the little harness. Feed line is ran. It's not connected yet. Feed line has been ran. Kind of tucked it because I got a longer feed line and I kind of made a mistake. So this is how it's going to sit. I'm going to try to have it like that. You know what I'm saying? Just ran out to here. And it's going to come back up here. So I'll try to like tuck it with a harness right here, so it just sits. It'll look right. So the motor is looking like a motor now.